everybody, it's Kelly, and I am back with another layout. So today I am going to scrapbook this photo of Arizona, and I'm putting it on that kind of blue, almost woven texture paper that is from Creative Memory Spring Medley Tone on Tone paper pack. And then the paper that sort of inspired me to grab Creative Memories was this kind of diamond pattern peach paper. That's the Creative Memories Endless Meadows designer paper pack paper. And I'm kind of trying to figure out how I'm going to position these papers. You know, do I want the green next to the blue? Originally my thought is that the peach would go underneath the photo mat, but I wasn't positive, and kind of playing around with how do I do this and pop things on here. I'm going to solve that in just a minute. So I did decide to go with the peach. So that paper is, I think I did say that, the Endless Meadows paper pack. And then that green paper underneath is the Creative Memories Spring Medley designer paper pack, as is that beautiful watercolor stripe in the background. That's the Spring Medley designer paper pack as well. So then I have this puffy frame from Ellie Studio, the Big Smiles puffy stickers, which are from 2021. And I'm just going to add a little card, which I believe is the back of a Felicity Jane or Me and My Big Ideas cut apart card. I don't know that I wrote down which it's the back of a Me and My Big Ideas from a wedding set that I bought years ago, and I didn't end up using all the wedding cards, but I do love the back of them. Then I added in that little chipboard Friday piece that came from Ellie Studio chipboard circle stickers from 2021. And then I've pulled these tags here with gold on them, and those are old. They're from Chic Tags Let's Go Tidbits from 2014, and I still have some left, so I love it every time I can get some of these on a layout. And I do like that little bit of gold. You know, all the orange and desert and golden sunshines and that kind of golden sunrises and sunsets kind of reminds me of Arizona. I'm using this or going through this Vicky Bouton hashtag sticker book just to see if I can find anything peach colored, because I know that she has some peach colored things in there. Like, what can I do that would work with that? That tag, by the way, that's laying off to the side, the Chic Tags, says summer vacation. This is not summer vacation. I was actually at my mom's. This is a picture of kind of my mom's house in Arizona in December, but I'm going to fix that in just a second. So I put together the cluster sort of just to give myself an idea about how much paper, green paper, I needed to cut off. So I needed to get that idea and that cluster done before I could do anything else. So that picture is so Arizona. I was sitting on one of my mom's, she has two kind of patio areas, one on each side of her front and back of the house. And the house she has that little kind of tower in it with a bell. And it's so Arizona, especially since the tiles are right there. Her roof is all tiled. So I looked up and took the photo because, you know, sometimes you just see those things and you need to, and just thought it would be fun to preserve that memory. And it was a beautiful day. So I'm adding in that Vicky Bouton sticker there from the hashtag sticker book right on top of that puffy frame. And then I cut off the summer vacation piece and then just left the vacation. And that looks great with the green. Then I have that little puffy floral sticker there. That is from the Felicity Jane Willow puffy shapes from 2017. I don't think I bought them in 2017, though. I bought them kind of on a clearance sale at one time, but I've had them for a while. Now I'm going to put this down, and I'm loving what I'm doing is I'm matching up kind of the edge of the roof on the left and the skyline with the blue paper where the majority of the light blue starts, just kind of grounding it a little bit more. Then that Felicity Jane sheet there has a bunch of these little puffy dots, And I'm going to add those around, just like you'd scatter enamel dots. On the top, on that tag on the top left, which is also from Chic Tags, I added that word dream there just because it, I don't know, felt like sort of just, you know, this, it's a dream spot for me. It's a place I dream when I go there. Very easy to do that. I was going to leave that banner up a little bit, but decided to change that. And then I found this little heart piece that's in a really dark aqua. That's a nice kind of blend between the navy and the lighter aqua colors on there, and added that up to the top left there. So that's really, the embellishing is really basically done at this point. So then, because there's gold in the tags, I decided to add some gold, use gold letters in this particular case. This gold foil alphabet is from American Craft Stickers. It's the AN alphabet. And I'm just going to do So Arizona because this is very typically Arizona. Now I don't have an N, so I'm just going to flip a U upside down, and that makes a perfect N then. I do that all the time. That's one of my favorite things to do with them. Otherwise, you can make an A out of it as well, too. But I did have plenty of A's. So I'm just playing a little bit with where I want the So Arizona titled centered. Originally, I was kind of centering it on the photograph, and then I ended up centering it more across that peach paper that it's resting on top of there. Just getting the spacing down a little bit closer. This alpha is really fun and I love it. All right, here's the still shot and a couple of detail shots. Hope you're all well, and I will be back with another layout soon. Bye, everybody.